Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add another account on Roblox PC. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, under the Roblox player, you can just go ahead and click on more right here, and then go ahead and scroll all the way down and log out. And then all you got to do is just log into the other account. But you don't have the native switch button right here, okay? Unless you would go ahead and open up a web browser, just like this one right here, and go ahead over to roblox.com. Hit on enter, and then at the very top you will have your profile, of course, and then just click on the gear icon. Now just go ahead and click on switch accounts. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on add account. So all you got to do is just log into that specific account, and the next time you click on this sign in button or switch account button, you will now be able to see a ton of accounts right here. And that is it. That is how you add another account on Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.